Meaning of excruciatingly.
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 Excruciatingly. Excruciatingly is an adverb used to describe something that causes intense, prolonged pain or discomfort. It can also refer to an experience that is extremely difficult or tedious. The word implies a high degree of discomfort or suffering and suggests that the experience is so unpleasant that it seems nearly unbearable. Something that is excruciatingly painful may cause a person to writhe in agony or scream out in pain. In short, excruciatingly denotes a level of discomfort or distress that is severe and difficult to endure.